Hello my fellow Ians, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Georgia Rarity. And by the way, I'm a little bit sick, if you can notice in my voice. So I want to retouch my hair a little bit. It's been a while since I've been dyeing it. I don't know when was the last time actually. It's how it currently looks like. So this side was actually supposed to be black, but now kind of like grayish or bluish. This one was red and looks like different color also than normal red, I guess. And so nothing new with my hair. I'm gonna use the remaining colors that I had. I don't know if it's gonna fit. I have black a lot because I didn't use so much, but red is like kind of hard sometimes to put on. Hopefully it fits. Hair is kind of long, but it's only one side. So let's see how we're gonna do that. Also with crazy color again, as you can see. Yeah. So I wanna use all the blacks, just a little, like for repair and strengthen all hair types. I wanna try this one because so my hair will feel kind of nice afterwards. But it's so crazy how natural black fades so fast, right? It's almost all gone now. Black color.
I've been stuck in limbo, thinking about the rainbow way over there. I don't have a car, so gotta take the high road if I really care. I deserve to feel much better. For weeks and weeks I face bad weather. It must be really up to me. I got a plan for what we wanna do. You wanna leave with me, I wanna be with you. Come on, let's go. No more limbo. I got a plan for what we wanna do. You wanna leave with me.
So done with this side. Gonna be a long process because I'm gonna do it separately. It's kind of hard to do like two colors, but I did it before and my sister's the one doing it. I'm done with this side, sorry. Let's see. Now I have bangs also, so hopefully she did it also right. Just kidding. Yeah. On to
Gonna
the
be
next
grayish.
side. It's never that black and my hair can't get darker anymore. I'm all done. Just kidding. Just this side I finished showing. And look! It looks kind of black. Can't even see it because I'm wearing like black. Just kidding. Yeah, so it's a success, I guess, but I'm not really done yet. Oh, it's wet. Now onto this side. Oh no. I've got like two different colors. Both red, of course. Fire and vermilion red, like last time. Gonna mix it as well. This one is not that much anymore inside. But this one, there is some. Hopefully, it's only one side, so hopefully it gonna fit on one hair. Let's do this. I'm gonna put a little all out legs and then mix these two colors. Let's do this first. This one's almost empty. I'm gonna use the lead. Squeeze it all out. It's almost empty anyway. Maybe this will do. This is more darker color? I think this is one more darker. So, both bloody red, as you can see. Oh, my hair is totally wet. Round two.
I've been stuck in limbo, thinking about the rainbow way over there. I don't have a car, so gotta take the high road if I really care. I deserve to feel much better. For weeks and weeks I face bad weather. got a plan for what we wanna do. You wanna leave with me, I wanna be with you. Come on, let's go. No more limbo. I've been bending backwards, seeing who would laugh first, what it become. This song makes my head hurt, it's no more whatever, change up the tone. I deserve to feel much better. For weeks and weeks I face bad weather. It must be really up to me. I got a plan for what we wanna do.
So this side is done. Kind of can't move, but yeah, you can see that. Kind of feels like Christmas, because the last time I dyed my hair was on Christmas, the exact same color. So funny. And yeah, I'll show you the results later. I've got like 50 minutes. I will wait until I will take a shower and then see you guys later. So these are the results. I'm back with those two colors difference in red and black. Just kidding. So yeah, that's how it looks like now, my hair. Wow, from the back. Well, it's not really that dark black, but this one's really nice red though. I like how it looks like now with my bangs. And I also wore like my red and black outfit out of red pants, if you can see. And so I want to end this video here. Hope you enjoyed it. Maybe next time again, I'm gonna dye my hair again, because you know me, always dye my hair, maybe after 3 months or something. But yeah, hopefully it will last longer than I expected. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. If you do, please give a thumbs up. Also comment down below what you think of this hair color, if you want to try this yourself or whatsoever. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to put on the post notifications, so exactly when I upload every week. See you guys in the next video.